Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be touring 3 apartments in Dallas, and I need you guys' help to help me find my next place. Unfortunately, I started my home search a little bit too late, so I'm still in the process of finding a home, but I'm going to go ahead and sign another lease. I'm super excited because I'm partnering with the RadPad team again. RadPad Dallas is who helped me find my first place, so of course I'm using the free service again to find my second place. If you want to use the service as well, definitely check out the link in the description box below. You fill it out, and if you do decide to sign a lease, you will get up to $200 sent to your Venmo or PayPal account. Just a small thank you for using RadPad. Now let's get into these tours. This is Lauren, my RadPad agent, and when you fill out the link in the description box, you get a free locating agent just like I got Lauren. So when you get a free agent, they help you find something within your budget. So basically, I gave the RadPad team my budget and the areas that I was interested in. If you're not from Dallas, they can definitely help you find an area. So this is apartment number 1, and kind of tell you guys a little bit about my budget. I'm looking for a 1-bedroom under around $1,400, and if I can find a 2-bedroom under $1,600, that would be even better, so I can have my own filming room. So this is apartment number 1, and you guys have to let me know what you guys think of this apartment. I'm also going to be showing you the 2 bedrooms at some of these locations. My favorite part about this apartment is the kitchen. I love the lighter tones as well as the see-through cabinets. Now, I would prefer my kitchen to be horizontal because of filming purposes, but I still love the cabinets and the see-through shelving. You guys let me know, are y'all into the dark cabinets or the light cabinet look? So next up, we're looking at a 2-bedroom at the same apartments. My locator, Lauren, is going to tell us more about the pricing. And we just toured a place, so she's going to tell us a little bit more about it. And whenever you get an agent, they'll take you places, but they'll also break down, more about the neighborhood as well as pricing and whatever specials they have.
Yeah, so today Ciara and I looked in Trinity West Groves, a super hot upcoming new neighborhood. Today we're walking distance right from Trinity Groves, so you'll be in one of the best spots in town. So the best part about working with RadPad is that we get you specials that aren't always advertised. We can hook you up with different deals. Not to mention, it's a completely free service. So work with us and we'll show you around town.
So for a 1-bedroom, it was around $1,300, and that's with specials. So normally it would be around like $1,400, close to $1,500.
Yeah, and then 2 bedrooms are even starting below $2,000, like right around $1,800. So it's a super good deal right now. So whether you're a local in Dallas or moving to Dallas, RadPad can find you deals no matter what your budget is. So next we're gonna hit up Old East and check out some places over there.
Now this is apartment number 2 in Old East Dallas, and I currently live on the border of downtown and Old East Dallas, so I'm familiar with the area. I love this area, and this is a brand new apartment. It just opened, so it's a brand new location. I love the finishes in the apartment. This is a 1-bedroom here. They also offer dark finishes. So one thing that I really like is the lighting. I'm looking for something with very good natural light. My current apartment does not have good lighting, and that is one reason why I'm so ready to move. I also love this bathroom. It's just so bright and airy. I also love the stand-up tub showers. I would prefer a shower and a tub, but you can't have everything. So I love the closet as well. It's a pretty good size. Now this is a 2-bedroom at the same location. This one has 2 bedrooms and a study. And as far as sizing goes, I think this is kind of perfect for me because I do want to study, but I also do want 2 bedrooms and another full extra bedroom for filming purposes. Also, guys, look at all this natural lighting in this room. I love how big the window is, and these sliding barn doors are a super cute touch to this apartment. And I'm leaning a little bit more towards getting a 2-bedroom because I've noticed with the 1-bedroom, some of them are really small, and 600 square feet is just not going to cut it for me. I'm going to need at least 760 square feet. So you guys let me know what you think about apartment number 2. This one is $1,400 for a 1-bedroom, and I was looking for something under $1,400 with a little move room for electricity and water and all those things. So it's really hard because I do like it because it's brand new and I love the aesthetic. It's really luxurious. But that's what Lauren's gonna help me with. She's gonna help me decide.
Yes, so next we're gonna head up to Frisco and check out some places there, and then this will be our third and final place, and then we're gonna help Ciara make a decision.
Last but not least, we are headed to the suburbs. It's the perfect place for someone who has kiddos, if you're looking for somewhere with good schools. So if you don't want to be, all in the city, here's an option for you. So we just finished up our apartment search. This is our third apartment. It's out in Frisco, which is north of Dallas. It's only about 40 minutes from the city, but it's perfect for anyone looking for a good school district, or just you don't want all the hustle and bustle of the city, but you still want somewhere like fun and with places to eat and things to do. So Lauren's gonna tell us a little bit more about the location and the pricing here.
Yeah, definitely. So like Ciara said, we're about 40 minutes north of the city, but we're right by Legacy West, which is great shopping, great dining. All you Cowboys fans out there, we are right by the Star, right where they practice. So it's an awesome location, not only for those that are interested in shopping and dining out here, but also for those who want a little quieter area, especially for families. Amazing school districts. One bedrooms here are starting right around $1,100, which was an awesome price for what you were looking for. And then it just going up from there up to 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms as well. So yeah, we had an awesome tour.
Whether you're a young professional, single, or you have a family, RadPad can help you find a perfect location. If you're interested in any more details about the locations or these properties, fill out the link in the description box below. If you do decide to sign a lease while using a RadPad agent, they'll send you a little thank you gift of up to $200 transferred to your PayPal or Venmo account. This is my second time using the RadPad team to help me find a place. I have 0 complaints. Why not use them? It's free and they pretty much do all the work for me. All I have to do is show up to tours and then sign a lease. Thank y'all so much for helping me choose my next place. Please comment down below if you're team apartment 1, 2, or 3. Don't forget to check out the RadPad team. I'll have a link in the description box below. Fill it out with all your information, budget, and area where you want to move, and they can definitely help you. Love and blessings, and I'll see you guys in my next video.